are going to make some strawberry ice cream using my new ice cream machine. So today we are going to make strawberry ice cream using this. This has been in the fridge for the whole night and now it has turned into complete ice because this inside is made of water, so you have to turn it into ice, so it's really cold. So now I'm going to refrigerate it. Okay, so the first step to making strawberry ice cream is we need 3 cups of regular strawberries, and these are the cups. Each one of those is like this. And we'll just fill in 3 cups, okay? After you wash them very cleanly, you have to cut them until it's small bits. Probably divide them into 4 pieces so it's small enough. So for step 3, after you cut all the strawberries, you put them in one big bowl ready to put in the sugar and the lemon. After you open your lemon juice, you have to get some tablespoons. 1 tablespoon. 4 tablespoons. Then you pour the lemon juice. And you put it inside. Put the sugar in the cup. Pour everything. This? No, it has to be the whole tablespoon. This is a lot. Daddy, should I mix it?
Yeah.
After that, you have to mix it. I'll come back to mix it later. So after you mix it, you have to wait for 2 hours for the lemon and the sugar to sink in. So while Hayley's not at home, I already strained the strawberries and mushed it up, and the juice is in the kitchen. And later, we were gonna make the ice cream. We're gonna put it all together again. Hello. As you see, we have done the strawberries. The strawberries are all ready. This is strawberry juice, and this is the mushed up strawberries. And now we're getting all the sugar. And then we need to add milk next. We'll have to add milk, regular milk. 1 cup and 1 cup. Next, we have to add the heavy cream. Heavy whipping cream. 2 and... Oops, do I need a bigger one? Guys, make sure your cup is really big. heavy whipping cream. Now we add the strawberry juice. Yeah. Like you don't know. Hey. Can you mix it? Okay. It's very simple. You add the strawberry juice and then we mix it. Kind of mix until it gets like that strawberry look. Like that. Peachy look. And now we're gonna add the mushed strawberry. Next we add the vanilla extract. And inside. Impressive. See? Oh, stir it. Now we have to stir it and watch it smell good. It does smell good. Next we take the thing we froze out of the freezer. And we put it inside. Like this. Then we pour it. Starts moving. Now we wait for 20 minutes. Yeah, and then we have to wait for 20 minutes. So you got the ice cream here. It's been running for 18 minutes. So we need 2 more minutes left. Okay, so now it's ready. So now we're going to get the ice cream out. Whoa. So you have to use a quiet sip. Okay, this is the ice cream product. It looks good. It's soft and creamy, but if you want it to be more hardened like regular ice cream, you have to put it firmly in a cup or something that will fit. Seal it firmly and put in the refrigerator for 2 hours if you want it to be good. Okay, let's try it out. Our first bite. Yeah, it's really good. It's that icy and strawberry flavor. It's really good. I hope you really liked this episode. If you want more Hayley Daily cooking episodes, then please subscribe and check out our videos. Thank you.